Hello students, ওপরে লেখাটা কি আছে পড়ো. Write the names of 5 fruits. Which fruit is this? Mango. It is our national fruit. It is a fruit of summer. Now write mango. We start with a capital letter. M A N G O Mango. Next, which fruit is this? Orange. It is a juicy and healthy fruit. Now write orange. O R A N G E Orange. Which fruit is this? Lychee. It is a one-seeded juicy fruit. L I T C H I Lychee. Next, which fruit is this? Guava. It is a many-seeded juicy fruit. G U A V A Guava. And last, which fruit is this? Betel nut. It is a dry fruit. B E T E L N U T Betel nut. Today we have learned the names of 5 fruits. So I am repeating again. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango mane aam. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange mane komla lebu. L-I-T-C-H-I, lychee. Lychee mane lichu. G-U-A-V-A, guava. Guava mane peara. B-E-T-E-L-N-U-T, betel nut, shupari. Learn the names of the fruits at home. Practice writing in your homework copy. Learn the spelling. You can also learn names of other fruits at home. Thank you.